In today's fast-paced world, e-learning has become an integral part of many organizations. But what makes e-learning so effective? The answer lies in two essential technologies. Hello and welcome to WizCabin. In this video, we'll take you through the topic authoring tools and LMS, key differences. Let's begin.
In today's digital landscape, the need for effective and engaging online training has never been more important. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to decide what the best tool for your organization's needs is.
Let's start by taking a closer look at authoring tools. Authoring tools are software applications that allow you to create, edit, and publish e-learning content. They're designed to be user-friendly and accessible to a wide range of users, from those with minimal technical skills to experienced e-learning developers. They allow you to create custom and interactive online courses that can be used for employee training, customer education, or just about any other type of learning scenario.
However, while authoring tools are great for creating engaging and interactive courses, they don't offer the same level of functionality as a learning management system, LMS. An LMS is a platform that provides a central location for managing and delivering online courses, tracking progress and performance, and even providing reporting and analytics. Authoring tools are great for creating engaging and interactive courses that provide a high level of customization and flexibility. With features such as multimedia integration, drag-and-drop functionality, and pre-built templates, authoring tools allow you to quickly and easily create courses that meet your specific needs. You can add multimedia elements such as images, audio, and video to enhance the learning experience, and use interactive elements such as quizzes, gamification, and simulations to keep learners engaged.
An LMS can help you streamline the delivery and management of online courses and provide a centralized platform for tracking learners' progress and performance. This is particularly useful for organizations that offer many courses, or for those that need to track training for compliance purposes. With an LMS, you can easily assign courses, track completion, and generate reports on learners' progress and performance. Another advantage of authoring tools is that they allow you to publish your content in a variety of formats, including HTML5, SCORM, AICC, and more. This makes it easy to deliver your courses to a wide range of devices and platforms and allows you to reach a broader audience.
Another advantage of an LMS is that it provides detailed analytics and reporting on learners' progress and performance. This can help you identify areas for improvement in your training program and make informed decisions about how to allocate resources and optimize your training efforts. You can even track data such as course completion rates, quiz scores, and more to gain a better understanding of how your training program is impacting your organization. Here are some of the disadvantages of authoring tools. Authoring tools are designed primarily for content creation and may not offer the same level of functionality as an LMS. Some authoring tools can have a steep learning curve, particularly for those who are not familiar with using e-learning software. It may take some time to get up to speed with the features and functionality of an authoring tool, which can be a barrier for some users. Authoring tools may not integrate well with other systems, such as your organization's existing LMS, learning management system, or HR system. This can limit the effectiveness of your training program and make it more difficult to manage and track your courses and learners.
Authoring tools often require a certain level of technical expertise to use effectively. This may be a barrier for some users, particularly those who are not familiar with using e-learning software. While authoring tools are generally more affordable than LMSs, they can still be expensive, particularly if you need to purchase multiple licenses for your organization. Additionally, some authoring tools require additional costs for features and functionality that may be included in an LMS. Authoring tools may have limited support options, particularly if you encounter any technical issues or problems while using the tool. This can make it difficult to get the help you need when you need it, which can impact the quality and effectiveness of your training program.
However, while LMSs offer a lot of benefits, they also come with some drawbacks. One of the main drawbacks is that LMSs can be complex and difficult to use, particularly for those with limited technical skills. Additionally, LMSs can be expensive and require a significant investment upfront. Furthermore, customization options can be limited, which means that you may not be able to create the exact course or training experience you want.
Another drawback of LMSs is that they typically don't offer the same level of flexibility and customization as authoring tools. While you can use an LMS to deliver your courses, you may not be able to create the exact course or training experience you want, as customization options can be limited. In contrast, authoring tools offer a high level of customization, allowing you to create the perfect course for your organization's needs.
In conclusion, choosing the right tool for your organization depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're looking to create custom and engaging e-learning content, authoring tools may be the right choice for you. However, if you need to manage and deliver many courses, and track learners' progress and performance, an LMS may be the better option. Ultimately, the decision between an authoring tool and an LMS comes down to your organization's specific needs and goals. Consider your budget, technical skills, and the level of customization you need, and choose the tool that best meets your needs.
It's also worth noting that some organizations may choose to use both an authoring tool and an LMS. For example, you may use an authoring tool to create your courses and then use an LMS to manage and deliver your courses. This approach can give you the best of both worlds, allowing you to create engaging and interactive courses, and manage and track your courses and learners more effectively.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. For more interesting content from us, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.